tenses, you have to put them in bracket. Like you can see this sentence. I haven't read any of the books that I got for Christmas. So I can say this sentence without using that. I haven't read any of the books I got for Christmas. So where we don't need that or who, which we'll just put them in bracket. Okay. We don't need that in this sentence. It is one of the best book that have come my way. Here that is necessary. Okay. It is one of the best books have come my way. So you think that that is necessary. It is incomplete without that. So here that is necessary. The meeting that Vinod had to attend went on for 3 hours. Tell me, the meeting Vinod had to attend went on for 3 hours. That is necessary or not necessary? What do you think? The meeting Vinod had to attend. If I'll say like this, the meeting Vinod had to attend went on for 3 hours. Is it fine? Is it fine? So put that in bracket. Okay, here that is not necessary. Where is the book that I presented you on your birthday? Here that is necessary. Okay. Where is the book that I presented you on your birthday? Or where is the book I presented you on your birthday? यहाँ भी that जो है, we can put in bracket. Where is the book I presented?
Ma'am, why it is necessary here?
It is not necessary here even. Where is the book I presented you on your birthday? Okay. Put that also in bracket. The writer who we met last weekend is very famous. The writer we met last weekend is very famous. This is also complete. So put who also in bracket. Is she the person who painted this beautiful portrait? Is she the person painted this beautiful portrait? Now tell me, you think that who is necessary here?
Ma'am,
yes, who is necessary here? Is she the person who painted this beautiful portrait? So where the word is necessary, you will not put them in bracket. Okay. The house that we rented. Yes, beta. Speak up.
मैम एक सेंटेंस में बस ब्रैकेट ही लगाने हैं ना?
Yes, you put the brackets which are necessary, which are not necessary. Okay, and you will not put them in bracket which are necessary. Like here in fourth, you will not put it into bracket. The house that we rented in Mumbai was fully furnished. The house we rented in Mumbai was fully furnished. Again, put that in bracket. I thought I recognized the assistant who served us. So here, who is necessary? I think I recognize the assistant who served us. If I'll say I thought I recognized the assistant served us.
Ma'am, yes, who is necessary?
So who is necessary? The first novel of Anita that appeared last year was based on a true story. The first novel of Anita that is necessary. Necessary. The first novel of Anita that appeared last year was based on a true story. The first novel that Anita wrote won her instant literary acclaim. The first novel
that
Anita wrote.
And that is not necessary.
Yes, you can put in bracket. Somewhere I have got a photograph of the mountain which we climbed. Somewhere I have got a photograph of the mountain which we climbed. That is which is necessary?
Which?
Necessary?
Ma'am, which?
Yes, ma'am, it's necessary.
Look, this is the wooden fruit bowl that you wanted to buy. This is the wooden fruit bowl you wanted to buy.
That.
Bracket. Okay. That will come in bracket. Now you can see preposition and relative clauses like a relative pronoun like that can be the object of prepositions like for, to. Okay. Here that is the object of the preposition for and to. This is the bus that I have been waiting for. So I have been waiting for the bus. So it is the object over here to the preposition. The cafe that we normally go to is closed today. We normally go to the cafe. So here it is taking the place as the object of the preposition. Leaving out the preposition. Somewhere in some sentences you can also leave out the preposition like this is the bus I have been waiting for. Okay. Then the cafe we normally go to is closed today. Fine. So here we are leaving the preposition. Here are some examples of relative clauses with an object to noun. We have some more examples like, is this the article which you were interested in? The train that I am waiting for is late. That's the man who I was talking about. Okay. So we can leave here.
डायरेक्टली इधर उतार रहा है, फिर इधर वाला ये
A preposition at the beginning.
अच्छा ठीक
A preposition at the beginning was that the library to which you normally go. Physics is a subject about which I know very little. Anita is the girl from whom I learned tap dancing. So these examples are typical of formal English. Here the preposition comes at the beginning of the relative clause. So it is coming before a relative clause like which or whom. It is coming before which or whom. Okay. Now complete these sentences using a relative clause with the preposition. Choose appropriate relative clauses from the box given the example. Follow the given example. Here is the general you have been looking for. Okay. Second one. This is the color. This is the color. Can anyone tell? This is the color. What you can choose from here? This is the color we have finally decided on. Okay. This is the color we have finally decided. Choose the options from there. I couldn't attend the seminar. I couldn't attend the seminar. Can anyone tell me? I couldn't attend the seminar. Come on, try. Which option is correct? Many important people belong to this club. I saw you with a person. You can rely on Shalini. He is negotiating. Yes, you have to choose from here. He is negotiating with the person. The boys prefer to swim in this river. I had been invited to a seminar. You stayed at in.
I had been invited to a
Yes, I
seminar.
couldn't attend the seminar. I had been invited in. Because already the seminar is written. I had been invited in. Who is the person I saw you with? Who is the person I saw you with? It was the river. Yes,
person.
I saw you with. Okay. It was the river. It was the river.
The boy preferred to swim in this river.
Yes, it was the river. The boy prefers to swim in. The boys prefer to swim in. It was the river. The boys prefer to swim in. What is the name of the inn?
You stayed at inn.
What is the name of the inn you stayed at? You stayed at. It is a club. It is a club.
Many important people belong in this club.
Many important people belong to. Many important people belong to. It is a club many important people belong to. Next.
You can rely on Shalini.
Shalini will prove to be a wonderful companion. She is someone you can rely on. You can rely on.
Shalini. You can rely.
You can rely on. The person
He is
he is negotiating. He is negotiating.
with the person.
The person he is negotiating is the chairman of a large company. Is the chairman of a large company.